Is your iPhone showing a voicemail unavailable error just when you need to access your messages the most? Don't worry, in this tutorial, I'm gonna guide you through the step-by-step process of fixing voicemail not working issue on your iPhone. So without any further delay, let's get started. Solution 1. Change your region. Open the Settings application, then go to General. After that, tap Language and Region. Now hit Region, then choose any of the United States, the United Kingdom, or Canada. Solution 2. Give a force restart to your iPhone. First, tap the volume up button, then tap the volume down button quickly until you see slide to power off. Then slide the power icon to shut down. Solution 3. Check for the latest iOS updates. Open the Settings app, go to General, then tap on Software Updates. Now check and install any available updates, and ensure your iPhone is charged at least 50% or more while updating. Solution 4. Reset network settings. Go to the Settings app, then tap General, scroll down. Now select Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap on the Reset option, then hit the Reset network settings. Now enter your iPhone lock screen passcode if prompted. Finally, click on Reset Network Settings again. Well, thank you for being with us. I hope this video helped you to fix the voicemail error on your iPhone. If you found this helpful, be sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech troubleshooting tips. And let me know in the comments section if you have any other questions. See you guys next time.